more in Call of Duty. Like you get to jump with this, or squat down with that. It just depends. You don't really need them for Grand Theft Auto, but these are the rare buttons right here, man. What's going on, James? I'm here. Hell yeah, Caleb. What's going on, broski? All right, guys. I'm checking my social media right now. Hector, you still having trouble? I'm guessing. All right, I'm gonna log off. Maria. Making a Call of Duty. I'm making a Call of Duty and Grand Theft Auto controller. Well then, yeah, you want to make your right one X and your left one circle, or if you want, you can just make it where they're remappable. I got mine remappable. Hell yeah, dude! I spent like $50 today getting stuff stream. Give Daniel food. I got you, bro. Please subscribe to me. Only if you subscribe to me, gaming. No, I do not do mods. All right, here we go. Here we go. I'll help you out. Here we go. Hector, watch the stream. All right, so you see that? Look, swipe down. Go to add friends. Add by username. And then type in Mikey fucking Brennan, and I will help you out from there. So. Right there. Right there. What happened? My bad, guys. My brother's getting in trouble. Remember try hard. Hashtag remember try hard. Yes, I know who try hard is.
I should just call my YouTube channel Try Hard. Welcome to Try Hard Gaming.
Is that the thing right there?
But yeah, I mean, rough.
No.
I mean, we're freaking done pretty good today.
Is it hard?
I mean,
No.
I can't even remember. I think we started on 1,094.
You know anybody who mods on PS3? Yes, I know a lot of people that mod on PS3, but they charge. Hey, are you in the lobby yet?
Yo, Captain, I have to freaking bang you, man. I'm subscribing, miss. Why should you even do that?
Set my request. Alright, yeah, I got you.
Yeah, that's all subscribe. Yeah, exactly. I mean, we don't need people. Otherwise, if people talk shit, then just ignore them. Instead of being a bitch and be like,
Ooh, Chaos firing. Hey, Chaos, just host the lobby, bud. Yes, I got Instagram. Wait, what? Last team standing? Yeah, I'm down for whatever. Oh, Aaron, do you? I mean, I can just go to Quick Job. I haven't watched you that much, but you've quickly became my favorite YouTuber. Thank you, Maria. Thank you so much. That's what I did. I got monsters and stuff, man, and waters and Powerade. Wait, what? Who? Was that mean right there? Alright, I'm joining. Let me know if he writes back. I subscribe. Hell yeah, Squid Gaming. Hey, Squid Gaming. Squid Grip, buddy. Let's go. What's going on, Trey? What's going on, Ethan? Welcome, peeps. I played Worth Dream Mods for $15. I was level and had $11 billion. Dang, nice. Kind of hate Dream Mods. I don't even know who that is, but I got people on Instagram that I have like 5 people that do mods and stuff for like $5, $10. Hey, follow me. Follow me. I just sent y'all an invite. You're in it. Alright, oh yeah, so it's Chris, okay. Hi, I kinda I wish about half a watermelon and a pack of strawberries. Dang, candies, damn. Nah, you're not fat. Mike, how much do you bench? 265, bro. Alright, people, here we go. Who's on my team? It seems like... Is Aaron on my team? Yeah. Alright, well, I'm betting some heavy fucking money. I bet 2,100. Guys, I got allergies really bad. I'm like congested now. And it sucks. Bet some money, Chaos. Stop being a little whore. Mikey fucking Brennan is my social media for everything, guys, so definitely check it out. Alright, here we go. First person, baby. I know, just like your wiener. I'm kidding with you. I love you, Chaos. Do not run in front of me, you dumb fuck. Oh, it's stupid, man. Hell yeah, guys. Thank you for 2,300 peeps. I really appreciate it, man. Even though I just died. I think he's talking about skateboarding. But yeah, my brother's right behind me. He's the one that does my max, so it's pretty crazy. He does my max. I feel like I could be a lot stronger if I wasn't trying to I don't go for like size, man. I compete for man's physique, and you know I'm sponsored for events and shit. So yeah, so I'm more. Physique is more like beach bod and stuff. So it depends like on what I'm cycling on and off and stuff. By the way, hell yeah for 1,300 or 1,300. Aaron, you little cheating little shit. Aaron. Kill him, Aaron. He's like a little rabbit needing to get out of the cage. Alright, I got somebody that added me. Soccer player. 953. There we go. Got you. Senior Instagram. My name is... Alright, I got you. Damn, dude. You broke your arm? Oh, that sucks. Who? Who is it? Who is it, Chaos? Who is it?
Don't
I'm about to go drop my nuts on Drop fucking Society.